Conditional generate construct. Here is an example of using a conditional generate block. Imagine, in your design, you have a top-level design module named MyDUT and a sub-module named MySubUnit. Assume that you need to instantiate the sub-module named MySubUnit into your top-level design module, based on the value of a parameter named MyType. That is, if MyType is 1, you need to instantiate a sub-module, else not. Here also you need to use a generate block similar to that you have seen in previous session, but instead of generating the block for a number of times based on loop condition, here, based on a condition, it should either generate the block or not generate. Here you will use a conditional generate construct. A conditional generate block can be constructed by using any of if-else-if or case statements within the generate block. You don't need to use a gen_var within a conditional generate block, because you don't need a looping variable in it. In this example, within the generate block, an if statement is used to instantiate MySubUnit, if the parameter value is 1. Similar to that you have seen in case of looping generate blocks, you may or may not name begin-end blocks within the generate block. If they are not named, the default name genBlock will be used in the hierarchy. In these examples the same generate block used without and with naming the begin-end. If it is not named, the hierarchy of sub-module within MyDUT will be as built as genBlock1.MySubUnitX, and if it is named as t-based, the hierarchy will as t-based.MySubUnitX.